Broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Jim, good morning. You're the first one in today. Todd, good morning. Randy, Sue, guys, good morning. Fellas, it's a beautiful day. Tony, good morning and welcome back. Cotty, good morning and welcome. Guys, very good morning. Salem, good morning. Yannick, good morning. Guys, it's anybody watching gold and silver? It's crazy. Yeah, we're way up. We're up across the board. We are due for a pullback. We've been up most of the night, and I think we need a pullback, especially if we're going to consider longs. Just taking a quick perusal. NASDAQ's got 21, almost 2,200 buyers overnight. Silver, another, call it 1,300 net buyers. Gold, 3,100 net buyers. This is in the overnight session, guys. 1,400 buyers in the Russell, 4,400 buyers in the ES, and the YM at 637. 5,900, almost 50 buyers. Good morning, Jacques, in crude. I mean, there's buyers everywhere, guys. And they've bought everything again overnight. I think some of this is on speculation of a deal being reached this week for more stimulus. Good morning, Chris. Patrick, good morning. Markets like free money, right? We're starting to get a pullback, which we desperately need. Terrence, good morning. Guys, by the way, if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Today is day 3 of your week-long trial. Some of you started today. I have been sending out the daily video to each and every one of you via Benchmark email. Roughly half of you are opening up that email. Let's see here. My gold robots are on, guys. My silver is on. I'm watching silver. I'd like to see us come back to VWAP. I mean, silver's on the cusp of blowing out, just blowing out. Good morning, Bill. Very good morning. Crude was a monster move from yesterday. This is the trade for this is ongoing from yesterday's long. Right, this was our trade yesterday, and we're still going. It is inventory day. I did not pay attention to API data yesterday, which was at 4:30. But we do have crude inventories at 10:30. We have ISM non-manufacturing at 10 a.m. Tomorrow, of course, we're going to get gold shorted, guys, on your bot on the 377 tick. I'm not sure we're going to get much of a pullback in here. I'd be really reluctant to be short gold, but it is short. Good morning, Don. We'll see what we get here. We might get a pullback into 53. Who would have thought? I mean, we're up 60 handles this week in gold. It's crazy. Gold is going to have to break down below 54.5, and it might get to 51.8. It's going to be some more support around 53.6, just above where that first target is, if anybody is in this gold trade. $53.6 may stop this. No sellers. I mean, it's small sellers. Again, it's due for a retracement. It's trying to hold this 54 level. Below that, it could come to 52.5. If you're in the trade, I would pay attention to it. Got buyer stepping back in here. I'll read the disclaimer in a moment. Got a break here. Oh, almost. We missed first target by 2 ticks, fellas. Trade them as you see fit. There is a mini for $5. So we bounced right back up to entry, missed by 2 ticks. We have ADP data at 8:15. Trump has hinted that the jobs report for Friday will be a big number. I guess you stay longs, the indices. I'm looking for a pullback. Man, we had one at 10. We'll see what we get. If you guys are in this gold trade, we do have news, obviously, in 10 minutes here. In any event, guys, the 3-minute is also trying to short. We've got to get down through that 53.1. Come on, buddy. Yeah, $400 in here, guys, if you want ticks. Come on. 20, 30. We got it.
Target filled.
First target filled, guys. We got it. So on break even +1. More than likely we'll get taken out, which is fine. We've got first target. I'm going to take one more off.
Order filled. Target filled.
There. We have news coming, guys. Silver has gone long on the robot. For those of you guys that trade silver, it's going to trade. Silver is long as well. Again, news in a few minutes, guys. So trade accordingly if you're trading. I don't think we'll see much before this news. We're getting a pullback in the indices, which is good for us. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. I'll do it up here so you guys can watch these trades.
Target filled.
There's first target on silver. And break even +1. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. Both targets hit on silver, fellas. Both targets hit on silver. And we're out in the runner on gold. You may want to shut them off ahead of the news. It's your prerogative, but ahead of the news, guys, you may want to shut your bots down. Turn them back on after the news. Let's see. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. We're good to go. Good morning, Carl. 167,000 below the 1.2 million. So, man, gold just went hooey. So did our silver, just went crazy. Well, look at silver above 27 bucks. Say goodbye to silver. Good morning, Mark. I love cattle. We don't trade cattle anymore, but I love cattle. I also like cotton and cocoa, and a lot of people won't trade cotton or cocoa. All right, guys, I'm going to turn my gold robots back on, and silver is back on. I mean, I am showing it that way, but I have members that are trading micros that may trade 10 micros, or I have members that are trading 4 micros. I have members that are trading one contract of the minis. That's a trader decision. You trade silver options using the robot. Okay. Yeah, let's see what the revision was. Would they revise up? Yeah, they revised it. They revised last month. Thank you, Ingmar. They revised last month to 4.314 million from 3.6 million. Silver's a little hooey, fellas. Silver and gold. Gold is going to go long. Yeah, so gold is trying to go longs. If gold, there gold's long on the bot. If gold, that's silver. Hang on, guys. They're all firing pretty quickly here. That's silver. Got both targets. I couldn't even move the chart. Trump reiterating his view that China is absolutely stealing our data. He's talking about TikTok. There's a big pullback in the ES. We should get a bounce somewhere between 9 and here at 11. Gold has to come up through probably 55.8. I think it sits down to 52, but we'll see. That looks like the area for the long, but we're getting reaction to the news. This should go. Bank of Japan reiterating they will do whatever it takes. I didn't hear the first part of the comment. Guys, if gold breaks out above that 60.2, it keeps right on trucking. NASDAQ and the ES bounced off 11 area. Didn't make it down to 9. That was kind of the buy zone, 9 to 11. There goes silver back up. Gold should follow. Gold's going to have to get through 58, 58.1, 58.2. It should go. First little hurdle is going to be here, 57.1. 3,800 buyers currently, small buyers in this candle. Morning, Ali. Watch a break of that line. Gonna have to get up through here. NASDAQ, quiet. Silver getting a small pullback with gold. Gold support. We're coming into a support area here. 51.8 to 52. This may be too tight. Well, it held. Again, we're still jostling around on the news. Okay. Any questions, guys? No, it does not auto turn off during news events. No. No, the robot has no idea when there's news or what news. What was the question by Pool? All right, YM is long on the robot. YM is long on the robot. Come on, YM, let's go. Come on. 3 ticks? 2 Are you kidding me? Again with this baloney. 2 ticks to target. Yep, 2 ticks. Come on, buddy. Buy some more. Push it. Push it. Don't forget we have crude inventories today, guys. 2 ticks to target and it's faltering. NASDAQ's almost, NASI's up to 95. My stop would probably now be 81, 82, maybe 82 from that 72. You're locking in 10 handles. ES is turning up. I mean, you can almost hear a pin drop. It's so quiet in this place. All right, guys. There's first target on the YM. You got a short on the 15 range on the NASDAQ. Small time frame using small filters. Come on, get that first target. Let's go. First target filled. Second target filled. 2 targets filled. One target filled here. And we're going to get another long on that 15 range, I think. So second target on the YM is at 45 ticks. Whoops, forgot to turn on my Russell. Jesus, look at silver. Oh my God. Come on. Come get that second target. Don't be bashful. We're 4 ticks to second target. Gold's going to break out, guys. Watch gold. Watch gold. 60.2. Boy, they are buying the snot out of gold and silver. Silver and gold. Come on.
Target filled.
I have it set at 1, 1, and 1. I see it faltering. If I were set at 2 and 1, we'd have 2 off at the first target, which is what I've done. This powers up through second target. Great. Boy, NASDAQ. Let me see where NASI can come. I like 55 for the next long if it pushes down there. Look at gold. Whoa, 60.2. It went. Woo wee. Nice job, Salem. See you tomorrow, buddy. 81 ticks on gold. Nice job. Anybody long 60.2 breakout on gold or long earlier? Say goodbye to gold, fellas. I have no target. I would have to do a Fibonacci extension. I have no target. Thank you, Jeff. I don't know where it's going at this point. I told you guys yesterday, for anybody that may recall, the ES target was 33.20. I think we've been given the gift of 33.20. Anybody that would have bought ES yesterday. Guys, I'm watching this NASDAQ. I'm waiting for a NASDAQ trade. I don't have one yet. Maybe, I don't know if it's going to push down to 55. It might go right back to 83 from here. All right, we're long on the robot on the 15 range, guys. Hang on, I'm moving it. Come on. There it is.
Target filled.
Target filled.
Order filled.
ES filled along on the Uniranko. No, the 8 range. 8 range. So you're long YM. You're long on the out on the NASDAQ on the runner. NASDAQ's just chugging around. It's really floppy again. ES has to get through 17, maybe quarter. It's going to 20. 17 quarter, it goes to 20. Something about a vaccine. I didn't hear it. Their second target. Where? Okay. ES is long now on the Uniranko. So it's long ES on both time frames. YM is motoring up into that third target. I won't let this come back through first target at this point. You guys want to know why I don't trade the ES? It's right here.
Order filled.
Another short on the NASDAQ on the 15 range. Stuck right in the middle of a 5-minute candle. Come on, NASDAQ. Look at this stupid little range. Look at this ES. That's why I don't trade the ES, guys. It's a rat bag. Back and fill, back and fill, back and fill.
Target filled.
First target filled on NASDAQ. I'll put it out at 13. Market services PMI. It's a beat. It's a beat. NASDAQ's hit second target, so now I'm trying to milk it. No, so right now the range is so small, we're getting for a lot of first again. We got a second here, which is another 7.5 handles. I'm trying to get it 13 handles, not going to get it. You think you might want to shut this off. It's made money. Look at this slop. Slop. YM was the ticket today. Got a nice NASDAQ trade on order flow and gold.
Order fill.
Small buyers in here, guys. I mean, this should push back up to 85. Seriously, who's texting me?
Order filled.
Are you serious, Ian? NASDAQ doesn't want to get out of its own way. Nor does the ES. We're not waiting. Nice job, Tony. You made money. Look at this crap. Come on, push higher. I don't have a trade on order flow. There's first target. ES on the Unirenko is a waste of time.
Stop fill.
Okay, guys, you may want to turn that 15 range off for the time being. It's just chopping around. It's up 645.
Order filled.
Where? Russell. We got a short on the Russell. Look at this price action. It's horrific. We're 20 minutes into this. "20 minutes. Look at the ES. 15 tick range. This is why I don't trade the ES. Waste of time. Look at gold. Buy. Wave goodbye. Silver too. The only thing we have now is crude inventories at 10:30. YM was the ticket today. All the movement was in YM. There goes the NASDAQ finally getting off its hunches. Euro's quiet. Now the ES, see, this is a problem, this chart now. Ay. ES has to
Order filled.
ES has to get through 17 quarter. If it gets through 17 quarter, it's good. Russell, within about 5 ticks of that first target. YM trying to get up to this last target at 67 ticks, and I will shut that chart off. NASDAQ's turning up on the 3 minutes. NASDAQ's turning up on 3 minutes. Euro still strong. Crude strong. Look at this ES.
Target filled.
There's first target filled on the Russell. First target filled. ES has to break right here, and it's going to 20. Now it should get to 20. 19 half 20. Above that, 22. You jumped in the NQ at 85. Okay, nice trade. NASDAQ above 05 goes to 20. 20. 5 half, call it. There's our last target on the YM. Come on, man.
Target filled.
Got it. I'm done with the YM today. Done. Shutting that off. Made good money. Good money. $580 on a $5 instrument, guys. That's good money. It's off. It's done. DFD. ES on the 8 range, almost to a target. And as well on this stupid little Uniranko within a few ticks. It easily should get to 20. I don't know what this holdup is.
Target filled.
There's target. There's NASDAQ above 05. Now it's going to 20.
Target filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
Waste of time on the ES, fellas. Waste of time. There's no volatility. It's trading in a 3.5 handle range. NASDAQ may roll over here and pull back into this area. That's it. I don't think so, but look at this gold.
Stop filled.
Gold's just going to keep going, guys. 64 is where it's going. Russell's out. First target only, RTY. I know. Summer trading. I agree. It looks like our action, guys. Now the ES is pushing up to that 20. No, she wants to be a child psychologist.
Target filled.
All right, guys, there's first target on gold. 14 ticks. We could come back to 53.5 area, maybe 4. If we break 5, it's going to have to break 5-minute support at 56. Below 56, gold is going to get pushed down to 53.5, and that would be the interest. That would be a great place for a long. That would be a nice place for a long. Pay attention to 53.5. We're not close.
Target filled. Target filled.
Out of that. Guys, this is a day you make your money and you get gone. Look at this. Decent positive delta. If we get a pullback into VWAP, I think that's a good long. ES is in a 3-handle range. You can write that off.